Yeah, baby. Woo, bitch. Storming, it's pouring. Cars are still driving in this shit. Oh, it's flooding. I just noticed that. It's flooding. All that water is about to be on this pavement in about 10-15 minutes. Man, God's bowling up there pretty good. He's hitting them strikes. It's calming down a little bit here. This car just stopped right over there. Car just stopped. I don't know why. Oh, damn. Yeah, idiot. You might want to drive. You're in the middle of the storm. That was scary. What the fuck's this guy creeping up on me for? We got some creepy ass guy right here. Just literally sitting here in the middle of the road. That's creepy ass shit. What the fuck you doing, man? Get out of here. Weird ass.